Imagine waking up every day, leaving your family, going to work for somebody 10, 12 hours a day, 6, 7 days a week, at a place for people that don't even care about you, at a place where people are off every weekend, they're on vacations, they're traveling, they're doing all the things that you want to be doing, but you can't do because you're trading your time for money. You're a system. You're their system. You're the person who allows them to get paid every day, because while they're out on vacation, while they're out enjoying life, spending time with their families, getting paid every day, big income, you're trading your time for money. You're still struggling financially. And you know what's even worse than that is that even though you could be at your job for a year, 5 years, you're still a number. You're just a temporary, because you're only important to your job for what you bring to your job. And I want you to understand this. This is how you know jobs don't care about you. And I know because I got fired from a job working as a welder for years, 3-time employee of the month. And they came in and moved my department, and they fired me and treated me basically like trash on a Tuesday morning. But you got to understand something. If a company that you work for is making millions and millions and millions of dollars every year, even billions, and they're paying you pennies on the dollar, like $15 to $20 an hour, that tells you how much they value you. If they got you working every weekend, they got you coming in on Sundays, Saturdays, 10, 12 hours a day, they don't care about your family. They didn't care about mine, right? When they fired me, they didn't say, hey, Daryl, we're going to give you 2 weeks to look for you another job. They didn't do any of that. Guys, I want you to understand, you have to quit trading your time for money. It is 2024. Jobs do not care about you or your family. And it took me getting fired before I finally realized that. And now I'm in the online space working 2 hours a day and earning a full-time income, guys, and getting paid every single day. And now, like a day like this on a Tuesday, where I would typically be at work working for someone who doesn't care about me, I have true time freedom. I'm able to do whatever I want. Guys, if you want to know what I'm doing, where I just work 2 hours a day, and those 2 hours a day allow me to do what's called income producing activities that allows me to get paid every day, then put the word yes in the comments, and I'll be happy to send you guys over what I'm doing.